Hello, I'm Kibran, and we're here with a new video about artificial intelligence. Today, I'm going to talk to you about one of the most highly anticipated releases in the entire world of artificial intelligence. I'm going to talk to you about Seedance 2.0, which, as you well know, is an artificial intelligence engine that makes everything much more realistic. Also, it's important to note that it's from Dreamina, who are the owners of TIG. And that already makes it even more interesting. I'm going to show you what it's capable of, and we're going to react because it's really worth it. I'm telling you, the hype is through the roof. This example I'm bringing you is honestly impressive. Look at what it does with just a few simple photos and what it's able to create. It's like being on a train, diving underwater, seeing what it really is. And look at that realism. Look at how... It's truly impressive. I'm completely in love and hyped to the max about what's coming. Look. What madness! And with just 5 photos. This is magic. Now I'm bringing you something wild so you can really see the difference from one to the other. Look at the video we just watched, and now we put in a much more improved image itself. And look at the difference from the initial video to the other one. It's a completely different change. Look. The realism goes to another level. Wow, now we see one that's less fantastical and more realistic. Look, they put that video in, they use another girl, and they tell her to do it in different languages and with different features and girls. It's just incredible. Look at the realism. Look at the different tones she uses. She keeps telling her to use different tones. Impressive. Let's move on to the next crazy thing. She gives it a bunch of photos and it creates a story. A story that she wants it to create, and you're going to be amazed. By what?
That is absolutely incredible.
How could we not enjoy this party? The realism is just, look at the people in the background, moving around. Look. Wow. Now that's how it's done. I want it. And now let's react together to this truly insane reality. Whoa, what a transformation.
I honestly cannot believe what I am seeing right now. There is absolutely no way that this is actually happening.
Let's go. It's... Wow, how it transforms. The host. 2.5. Fem 2.5. You really need to take that right now. Take that. Watch out. Was that in Times Square? Wow, what a transformation on those snipers. If you look closely, you can see that the young child is carefully doing it with that little toy car, moving it back and forth quite intentionally. It is really interesting to watch how focused he is on the task at hand while he plays with the vehicle on the ground. Don't you think it's a great example of how kids concentrate?
Let us take a moment to observe what he is going to do next, and let's see how he handles it.
He's going back. That's crazy. It is entirely possible that you are still exactly who you think you are, and now, quite unexpectedly, here come all of those same pigeons once again. I honestly can't wait for this to get here. Seriously. The hype is real. The hype is through the roof. Look at this madness. Seedance 2.5. Well, that's all. I hope you're even more hyped than before, because this is really worth a lot. What a shame. Leave a like. It helps me a lot. Comment below. What do you think about this marvel that's coming to the world of artificial intelligence? I'm Keyburn, and I'm here to serve you.